Yeah,
Thank
we're
you.
the Gateway Learning Community. We are a MAT trust based in Essex. We are 5 schools, 4 primaries and 1 secondary, with around 3,300 pupils. We have the NetSupport software installed on our secondary site where we've got IT rooms. So that's around 600 computers, all in our IT labs or in large banks of machines, for example, in the library or common rooms, that type of thing. We chose NetSupport purely because of the user products in the past, but also the new features that get introduced at new versions. So, and the main use for us at the Gateway is for staff to monitor what the kids do, but also in IT lessons where the teachers can basically take over all the room, example what the teacher wants to do, then they can example if the children do really good work, or if a child has a particular problem they want to share with the class. So that's the whole point of the product. We use it for also the co-web browsing. There's only certain websites that the teacher wants the class to go on. They put them in the allowed list. That's it. So yeah, it's a pretty good product. The ones like I mentioned, for example, the teaching tool where the teacher can demonstrate their machine to the whole class, the other way around where the teacher can demonstrate a pupil's machine to the whole class, and also the co-web browsing. They're the key 3 things that all our staff like. It does what it says on the tin. A really good piece of software. There's a low footprint on all the machines. So yeah, very, very happy with it. Never ever been an issue. I think we've had a few queries when we first got the products about 13 years ago. Since then, just our annual renewals. Yes, without hesitation.